Building a dam is a fascinating process that combines engineering, nature, and a bit of artistry. Let's dive into how these massive structures come to life. First, the site selection is crucial. Engineers look for a location with a strong, stable foundation, usually in a valley where a river flows. They assess the geology, hydrology, and environmental impact. It's not just about where to build, but also understanding how the dam will interact with the surrounding ecosystem. Once the site is chosen, the real work begins. The first step is clearing the area. Trees, rocks, and any existing structures are removed to make way for construction. Then, workers start diverting the river. This is done using temporary channels or cofferdams, which are smaller barriers that redirect water away from the construction zone. It's like creating a dry workspace in the middle of a river. With the river diverted, construction can begin. The foundation is key. It needs to be solid enough to support the weight of the dam. Workers excavate deep into the ground, sometimes using explosives to break up rock. Once the foundation is ready, they start pouring concrete. Depending on the dam type, gravity, arch, or embankment, the construction techniques can vary. Gravity dams rely on their weight to hold back water, while arch dams use a curved design to transfer the water pressure to the canyon walls. As the dam rises, engineers install spillways. These are crucial for managing excess water. If the reservoir fills too quickly, the spillway allows water to flow safely over or around the dam. It's a bit like a safety valve, ensuring that the dam doesn't overflow or fail. After the main structure is complete, it's time to install the turbines and generators if it's a hydroelectric dam. These turbines convert the energy from flowing water into electricity. It's an incredible process that harnesses the power of nature to provide renewable energy. Once everything is in place, the final step is to refill the reservoir. This can take time, as the river is gradually allowed to flow back into its natural course. During this phase, engineers monitor the dam closely to ensure everything is functioning as intended. Building a dam is not just about concrete and steel. It's about balancing human needs with environmental concerns. Engineers work with ecologists to minimize the impact on local wildlife and habitats. Fish ladders, for example, are often built to help fish migrate upstream, ensuring that the ecosystem remains healthy. So, the next time you see a dam, remember the incredible journey it took to get there, from site selection and construction to the careful management of water and wildlife. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to work with nature, creating structures that not only provide power, but also shape the landscape for generations to come.